Hello everyone, this is Akanksha Mishra, Assistant Professor, Faculty of CS and IT, Kalinga University. Today we will discuss about the subject Software Engineering. In the module 1, we will discuss about the definition of software engineering, SDLC model, Halstead matrix, software project management and risk management. So we'll start with the definition of software engineering. Software engineering is coined with two words, software and engineering. As we know, software is a set of instructions which are designed to perform a specific task, and engineering is the step-by-step process to construct any software. Why we are using word software engineering here? Because it is an application of scientific and practical knowledge to invert, design, build, maintain and improve the framework and process. Now we'll discuss about the SDLC, Software Development Life Cycle. The software development life cycle model is a periodical and diagrammatic representation of software life cycle. A life cycle model represents all the methods required to make a software product instant transit through its life cycle stages. It also captures the structure in which these models are undertaken. In the SDLC, there are 6 phases are available: analysis, design, development, testing, deployment and maintenance. In the first phase of SDLC, we will discuss about the analysis. Analysis of what are the requirements. In this phase, we gather all the requirement of the software, in which requirement analysis is the most important and the necessary stage, in which we find out the product owner, project manager, business analytic and CTO. After this stage, we come up with the next stage, which is known as a design stage. In the design stage, we design the structure architecture of the whole software. Developers have to follow the coding guideline and describe their management. In the next third step of the SDLC, the actual development begins, where the programming is built. The implementation of designing begins by the writing the code, in which we design whatever is the planning, we convert into the coding section. After the code is generated, the next stage is known as a testing stage. In this stage, the requirement makes sure that the product are solving the need addressed and gathered during the requirement stages. After the testing is done, we come up with the next stage, which is known as a deployment stage. In the deployment stage, whatever software we have created, we deliver to the customer and get the feedback through the customer. When the software is certified and no bug and error are stated, then it is being deployed. Based on the assessment, the software may be released as it is with the suggested enhancement in the object section. After the software is deployed, then the maintenance phase is started. After the deployment of the software, the next phase comes, which is known as a maintenance phase. Once the clients start using the developed software, then the real issue come up and the requirement to be solved from the time to time. This procedure, where the care is taken from the development product, is known as a maintenance phase. Now we'll talk about the various SDLC models. According to the use and the requirement of the customer, there are various types of SDLC models are available, which are known as a software model, RAD model, spiral model, V model, incremental model, agile model, iterative model, and Big Bang model. These are the few models are available. According to the customer requirement, a software developer opt one of the model. Now we will discuss about the Halstead matrix, which is also known as a Halstead complexity measure. In 1977, Mr. Howard Halstead introduced a matrix to measure the software complexity. Halstead matrix depends upon the actual implementation of program and its measure, which are computed directly from the operator and the operands from the source code in the static manner. It allowed to evaluate testing time, vocabulary, size, difficulty, error, and effort for the C, C++, Java source code. By using the Halstead matrix, we can calculate the vocabulary, size, volume, difficulty, effort, error, testing time of your software design. Now we'll talk about software project management. As it is suggested that it is a management of whole software engineering life cycle. Software project management is the art and the discipline of planning and supervising the software project. It is a sub-discipline of a software project management in which software project planned, implemented, monitored and controlled. Now, lastly, we will talk about the risk management. A software project can be concerned with a large variety of risk. In order to be adept, a systematically identify the significant risk in which might affect a software project, it is essential to classify risk into different categories. The project manager can then check with the risk from each class and relevant to the project. There are mainly three classification of the risk which can affect the software project. One is known as a project risk, technical risk, and third is known as a business risk. Project risk, which is concerned with the different budgetary, schedule, personal resources, customer related problem. In the technical risk, concerned with the potential method, implementation, interfacing, testing, and maintenance issues. In the business risk, these types of risk contain risk of building an excellent product that one no need, losing the budgetary and the personal commitment.